Better people, una good afternoon. Today na another Wednesday again, and I don come show una another herb wey dem dey call monkey sugarcane. This monkey sugarcane wey you dey see so na very good plant. As e name be monkey sugarcane, na so e dey cane diabetes well well. No matter the level of your sugar, once you blend this leaf, you take am, that sugar go must come down. This herb dey get different species. This one wey you see for my hand, so hair no dey the back at all. This other species wey I still get for my compound, if you look am, you go see say hair dey the back, small hair e dey the back. But that one no be say e no dey work. The two of them dey work fine. Apart from diabetes, we don see notice say this herb dey make person sleep. Once you take am, na so e go knock you out. E go make all your nerves relax. You go sleep better sleep. By the time when you sleep wake up, this sleep don gather dirty full the corner of your eye. Wetin that one mean be say this sleep dey clear your eye too. This particular plant wey you see so, as the leaf take get benefit, na so the stem take get benefit. But we go take that one next week Wednesday.